What's up guys, DJ Gabuli Architect here and welcome to my channel. Our topic for today is about how to create a smart Keynote system. Okay, first let's open a file, families, select new, then let's choose a family templates, then the Imperial, English Imperial, then select OK, use the annotation, then let's select generic annotation, then open. And then select this label for our text, then use the generic annotations, then let's create new parameter data, so let's name it as type mark, then use the type instance, and then select the text for our type parameter, then it's okay, then select this arrow, then the sample value, let's make it as 10, then okay, and then let's adjust this one. Okay, then let's edit the text. Just select edit type, then let's change the background to transparent, then okay, then let's change the font to let's see, Calibre. Let's find Calibre. Yeah, maybe Calibre light, then apply. Okay, and then let's create a type of line, then circle, use the generic annotations, then select this circle. Okay, you can adjust the text in the center, then let's save this families, save, then okay, let's overlap this one, overwrite, then save, yes, and then let's open a new file, then use the architectural template, then set okay. Okay, let's create a plan first. Okay, let's create a wall. Let's create a wall for our division, then let's add a door, then single door, then let's create a window. Okay, let's put it here. Okay, then let's go back to our Keynote family, then let's load into our project. Okay, let's put anywhere. Okay, okay, let's go back to our, then let's delete this one, then save, then let's load into our project, then overwrite the existing version, select that one. Okay, then let's add a leader, then let's point it out on the door, then let's make this one as number 1, then let's go to the edit tab and let's change the leader arrowhead to, let's say, no, okay, 30 degrees or 53 degrees. Okay, then let's rename this sheets to partition plan, then okay, then let's create another one for the power sheets plan, power plan, then okay, let's close this one first, let's go to partition plan, and then Just wait. What happened? Oh, my mistake. Okay, let's go to floor plan. Then rename as. Oh, no, no, no. Let's duplicate first. Then duplicate with detailing. Then rename this one as partition plan. Then let's duplicate this one for power plan. Power plan. And okay. Let's close this one. And then let's go to our sheets partition plan. Let's drag this partition plan. And then let's go to the power plan sheets and let's drag the power plan like that. Then for this one, let's find the schedule. Yeah. Then select this note block. Then use the Keynote tag which I made. Then set OK. Then let's select type mark. Then let's put in the other side. Then set OK. Okay. Let's close this one first. Then let's go to our schedule in the properties. Then select this note block. Then let's drag it to our plan sheets. Okay. And then let's name this one as partition keynotes. Then let's close this one first. Okay. Okay, let's move this arrow so it will look better. And then we already have a partition keynotes. Then let's go back to our keynote tag. That one. Then edit family. Then let's add parameters for our keynote. Okay, select new. Then let's say keynotes. Then check the instance. Then type of parameter, let's set text. Then set OK. Then OK. Then let's save this one. Then let's overwrite. Then load it to our project. Then overwrite the existing version. Okay. Then select this one, our schedule. Oh, we have here. Then let's go to the fields and edit type. Then let's add the keynotes. And then set OK. Then we have already a keynotes additional for our schedules. Then okay, let's duplicate this, copy this keynote to put in our window. Then let's set this one as number 2. Then see keynotes, let's say keynote number 1 is a door. No, partition. No, it's my mistake. Let's see, this one is a door. Okay, let's type a door. Then apply. Yes, number 1 is our door. Then number 2 is our window. Then okay, window 1. Let's delete this one first. Okay, and then okay, let's go back to our partition plan. Then let's copy this. Wait lang. Okay, this keynote, let's add duplicate. Let's copy. Then let's add, make this as number 3. Then this keynote, let's make this as wall 1. Okay, then copy again, put in the other side. Let's make this as number 4. Then make this as wall number 2. Okay, this is only a sample, guys, and then number 3, let's duplicate this, copy this number 2, then look at this guys, no? On number 2, yung keynote natin is nagiging dalawa na. Para nag-duplicate siya sa ating schedule. So, paano natin ito gagawin guys? Na mawala yung duplicate sa ating schedule. Okay? Let's go to the add fields, edit type, then let's create a new parameters. Let's name this as type notes. Then select the instance. Type of parameter, we'll use text. Then set OK. Then letter C natin guys, mayroon na tayong type notes. Then let's go to partition plan. And then yun, select this number 1. Makikita natin sa properties, type notes. Let's put this as partition type of notes. And then number 2, yes, partition, still partition. Number 3 is partition. Number 2 is since we have already window 2, so let's name this as duplicate. Okay, duplicate, because we have already an existing number 2. Then number 4, this one is partition type of notes, partition. Okay. And then let's go to our partition keynotes. Then let's make this as, if you filter natin guys, so filter, then type of notes, then partition, then set OK. Yeah, all type notes are partition. So kita nyo dito guys, sa type notes natin is all partition, no more duplicate of numbers. Okay, kopyahan natin to. Yeah, pag copy natin, nag-additional siya ng another type of numbers, window 1. So select this one, then change our type notes to okay, change this one to duplicate. So nawala yung additional number sa partition keynotes natin. So let's go to power plan. Okay, let's create a schedule for power plan. Okay, this partition keynotes, let's duplicate this one. Select, right click and duplicate, then name this one as power keynotes. Okay, then let's close this one first. Then this one is the partition power sheets. Then let's drag the schedule power schedule to this power sheet. Okay, let's add the keynote first, and then let's say 1, then let's add an arrowhead. Okay, then let's drag this schedule power keynotes to our sheets. Then number 1. Okay, system, let's add a power outlet on our plan. Let's load, yes, this one. Select this duplex and put in our plan. Okay, so number 1 is our let's say power outlet 1. Okay, let's copy this one. Let's change this fields to let's filter this to power. Okay, let's go to our sheets power. Look, then type note this one is a power. See, we have already a power on our power keynotes. Let's duplicate this one. Let's make this as number 2. Then this, since the keynotes out number 2 power outlet 2, then make this nag-duplicate yung pag ano natin, so change this to duplicate. So na-remove yung na-duplicate yung power keynotes, nawala yun. So okay, this one nag-duplicate siya agad, automatic nag-duplicate. So let's change to duplicate para mawala doon sa power keynotes natin yung duplicate number. Okay, and then let's go to our power keynotes. Let's hide this column, no? Also in the partition plan, let's hide this column. See, nawala yun guys. So ganun lang yung pag-create ng smart keynote system guys. So new lessons to learn, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe.